Hello guys, welcome to our channel and welcome to our new product review video. So let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the EU Direct HillMiles Mile 1 Electric Bicycle, a compact yet powerful e-bike featuring a 36V 10.4AH battery, a 250-watt motor, and 14-inch tires. This is the ENGWE T14 model in black, and it promises up to 60 kilometers of mileage range with a maximum load capacity of 120 kilograms. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Unboxing and design. Right out of the box, the ENGWE T14 looks sleek and modern. Its black frame has a stylish and compact design, making it perfect for city commuting and daily rides. The 14-inch tires are sturdy enough for urban roads while keeping the bike lightweight and easy to maneuver. Key features: 36V 10.4AH rechargeable lithium battery with up to 60 kilometers of riding range on a single charge. A 250-watt motor that delivers smooth acceleration and enough power for city rides. 14-inch tires for stability and comfort. Maximum load capacity of 120 kilograms, making it suitable for most riders. Foldable, portable, and convenient for storage in apartments or small spaces. Performance test. On the road, the ENGWE T14 performs very well for city commuting. The motor provides good support for uphill rides and long-distance travel. With pedal assist and pure electric modes, you can choose whether to ride traditionally or let the motor do the work. The brakes feel reliable, and the handling is smooth even in crowded urban streets. Battery life. The 36V 10.4AH battery gives you around 50 to 60 kilometers of riding distance, which is excellent for daily commuting. Charging is simple and can be done overnight, so it's always ready the next day. Comfort and ride experience. The seat is padded and comfortable, and the suspension helps absorb small bumps, making it a pleasant ride. Thanks to its foldable design, you can take it on public transport or easily store it in your car trunk. Overall, the HillMiles Mile 1 ENGWE T14 Electric Bicycle is a great option for anyone looking for a compact, reliable, and affordable e-bike. It's perfect for commuting, running errands, or just casual weekend rides. With its long mileage, solid build, and portable design, this e-bike offers excellent value for money. If you're interested, check out the link in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review.